How to reverse a video on Snapchat. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of how to guide. If you're also trying to reverse a video that you have, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Now previously, whenever you took a video on Snapchat and if you swipe left, you could see an option of fast forward, and after that ended, you would also see an option of reverse. But however, that option now has been removed from Snapchat. That means there is no option of reversing the video within the Snapchat app. So in this case, what you need to do is use other video editor. I'm going to show you through the CapCut app for this video. So you can just download this application onto your device, which is CapCut. Open up the app once it's downloaded. Tap on new project and then just select the video that you want to reverse. Select the video and tap on add. Now once this video has been selected, in order to reverse it, you just need to select the video like this, and if you swipe left on the bottom, you would see an option called reverse. It should be between copy and freeze. You can just tap on the reverse option and the video will start to reverse. If it is a longer video, it may take some time, so wait out, and when the reverse is done, you can play the video and you would see that the video is now reversed. Now lastly, to remove the CapCut logo, if you don't want that, you can just tap on this logo right here and then tap on delete, and there you go. Now you can export this video to your phone by tapping on export or the arrow on the top right, and this video will be exported to your phone, and you can also send this video as a snap. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked it and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.